No matter the industry, a safe and effective workplace has to visually protect, warn, and inform. Do it all in high-impact full color with the BradyJet J4000 color label printer. The power of inkjet full color lets you start with a clean canvas, so one type of material becomes many different labels, reducing costs and waste. Plus, an ink cartridge with a built-in print head makes loading simple, getting you printing faster. Trust your facility and chemical labeling is compliant. With bright colors for regulatory standards, BradyJet J4000 delivers safety messages with impact. Create warnings, signage, and labels any way you want with Brady Workstation's comprehensive applications and graphics, or print from the third-party software you already have. And with industry-certified, UL-approved materials, you get the right label for the job. Brady engineers its materials to stand up to harsh environments, so when the J4000 prints, it lasts. With options that can withstand the outdoors and the demands of your business, know that your most important information won't bleed, fade, or rub off. Customize product and instruction labels up to 8 inches wide. And add photo quality visuals to your workplace, maximizing customer satisfaction and employee efficiency. In the black and white world of safety and compliance, choose the power of color. For a closer look at the BradyJet J4000 color label printer, go to our website,